What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vloggy vlog.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
So you guys, right now I am in New York. I have an event in 2 days. We just got in yesterday. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm trying to get my energy together. I'm tired, y'all. This is our first day here. Well, our first full day here. We're about to go visit Ronnie's mom. I want to go get my nails done. I need to get some breakfast. I'm starving. We are starving. You hungry, baby? Oh, hey. Let me see your shirt.
Spot me, your boy Jay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Look at my shirt. My shirt says black, proud, and educated. Okay, because that's what we doing over here. My puppy is with us. Look at my baby girl back there. Okay. So I got toothpaste on my mouth. Y'all, I'm gonna get it together. I'm tired. Okay. Proud, black, and educated. Okay. Black, proud, and educated. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm rambling. All right, I'll be back. Yeah, I'm trying to wake up, so I'm gonna get a couple iced coffees to try to wake up real quick. Okay.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
No, thank you.
Can I help you?
You're not gonna like that. Can I get 2 vanilla iced coffees with cream, and 4 Splendors?
2 medium vanilla iced coffee.
Yeah, with cream and 4 Splendors. And
Okay.
And can I get 2 hash browns, please?
Both of them 4 Sundays, right?
Yeah.
And 2 hash browns.
Yes, please.
Will that be all?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, first one, that's 41.
So that should hold me. No problem at all. God bless you too. We just bought him some breakfast. I do stuff like that all the time. I don't show it, but you know, I just went past him with my camera. Usually I don't show that kind of stuff, but we just got him some breakfast. I got me and Ronnie and I an iced coffee and hash brown. That should hold us till we get to Brooklyn and get some real breakfast. Tired, hungry. Yes, y'all, we want some Jamaican porridge for breakfast. You know, that's one of our favorites. That and my Dominican breakfast. I'm trying to get it together, y'all. I gotta work, so I have to get it together. Thank you, baby. Alright, I forgot to tell y'all, we put whipped cream on top of the iced coffees too. I forgot. And the ice water is for my dog. Okay, she's spoiled. But I gotta make sure she's straight. Alright, let's roll. Y'all, so we just got to Brooklyn. I'm about to go to the hood car wash spot and get my car washed real quick because I got bird poop all over it. So, yes, I miss freaking Armor on the tires. They don't do that in Florida. You gotta do that yourself. You pay super cheap, but you gotta vacuum yourself and you gotta do your own tires. Look, I'm in the hood. Look at that. But I do pay $20 a month. Okay. How much they gonna charge me? The dog is in here. I just want them to wash the outside. The inside is clean. Hi. How much just to wash the outside?
$17.
17? Okay. So 17, y'all. And in Florida I pay $23 a month unlimited. But I gotta vacuum myself and do my tires. This is what I needed. Look at that. Needed. Alright, y'all, let's go. I miss Brooklyn, yo. When I'm in Florida, I miss Brooklyn. When I'm in Brooklyn, I miss Florida. So I love them both. So you guys, I'm here at Smoky Island. I'm about to get some breakfast. You already know, fish cake and porridge. Let's get it. So look, my green banana porridge, my fish cake. Stuff is hot. They keep it on like a crock pot, just boiling and stuff. Y'all see that? It's both of our favorites. This and the Dominican breakfast. So good. Oh, look at that banana porridge. That's so good, y'all. Y'all don't even understand how good this is. I have to show you guys how to make this. I know I said that like a million times, but y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to make this. I'm gonna do it. Just remind me. You know, I be having ADD and I be busy and stuff. Alright, so we're about to go visit Ronnie's mom real quick. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I am in the hood. Let's go get my nails done. You guys, I did like a yellowish lime green ombre. Pretty. Oh my gosh, these streets, I'm sorry, y'all. Dang. Dang. Yeah, I'm in Queens right now. I'm about to dang. I'm on my way to my eye doctor appointment. I think I need glasses, y'all. At nighttime when I be trying to drive, I don't know. It's like I don't see as like sharp as I used to. But I know that comes with age. Your eyesight changes. So we're gonna go see if I need glasses, or at least driving glasses, or see what's up. All right. Look at me. Hey, big girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. 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 Alright. Let's see what's up with my eyes. So you guys, my right eye is definitely my weaker eye. So let's see what the doctor says. But yeah, how nice are my nails? My nails came out so good. All right, y'all, I'm done. My eyes are super blurry. They did those. They put those drops in. You know the what do you call those? The ones that just open your eyes up. What? I can't even think right now. My eyes are so blurry, y'all. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Oh, it dilates your pupils, right? My eyes are so blurry. Yo, yeah, my pupils are so dilated. Ronnie said I look like I've been sniffing coke. Babe. Yo, what if Ronnie was there? How was I supposed to have driven her home? My eyes are so blurry, y'all. It's crazy. I cannot see. I can't even see like a text coming in my phone. I can't even read the words. My eyes are so blurry. How long is this supposed to last? He was like, yo, your eyes are like somebody that sniffed coke. I'm like, what? Yo, this dilation needs to wear off because I can't see. Y'all, we're on our way to the crib real quick. Gonna get something to eat for dinner. My only thing is my eyes are so blurry. How am I supposed to see if my food look funny? To see how my food look. That's my only thing. I'm gonna have to rely on Ronnie to get me something to eat that don't look funny. Oh, it's a boardwalk. I can't even see them. I know that's fat girl problem, but I'm hungry. I didn't even eat my breakfast. It's still in the car. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm hungry. I should start a show called Always Hungry. Alright, so I'm at Mamgoo. I about to get some dinner for me and Ronnie. I got some rice and beans and chicken, and I got a small picadera for one. But y'all see it in a minute. It's Dominican food. Yeah, look at how beautiful Brooklyn's eyes are. She's so pretty. I love you, mamas. I love you, mamas. She's so pretty. I think my food is ready. I'm about to go inside and get it. Alright, let's go see if my food's ready. God, my eyes are so blurry. Hey. That looks so good. Alright, y'all, I just got back to my hotel. My eyes are still super blurry. When I can actually see, I'll be right back. I'll show y'all my food. I can't see. Alright, so here is our food from Mamgoo. I have a salad here that has fresh avocado. This is an oil vinegar dressing. White rice, stewed pink beans. These are habichuelas. These are his picadera plates. It has sweet plantain. That's sweet plantain. Chicken chunks. It has steak. Ooh, come off my fork. It has longanisa. What else? It has pieces of fried cheese, queso frito. See that? And yeah. And some roasted chicken. Alright. Bon appetito. And here is my plate, you guys. Here, Ronnie's smacking. Is it good, baby? Ronnie didn't usually even eat Dominican food. Well, rice.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming